All right, so for the first one, calcium is Ca plus 2, carbonate is CO3 minus 2 because the charges are the same. We get CaCO3. All right, sodium is Na, group 1 plus 1. Chlorine is ClO3 minus 1, again, because the charges are the same. They cancel out. And then Ba is barium. It's a binary compound. We just changed the ending of iodine to iodide. Lithium is Li. It ends in IDE. That's just bromine. LiBr. And then Aln is aluminum. And again, because it's a binary compound, we changed the ending to nitride. All right. For 6 through 8 with the Roman numerals, that's just the charge of the first element. So tin has a charge of +4. Oxide is O, that's -2. We crisscross, we get SN2O4. All right, this should be reduced to SNO2. Copper 1 nitrate is Cu. The copper has a charge of +1. Nitrates NO3, it's -1. So those cancel out. CuNO3. And then lead 2 phosphide, again, that 2 is the charge of the lead. +2. Phosphide is P -3. Pb3 P2. All right, down here, we're going to name them. So we're going to write out copper. All right, we got phosphate. All right, phosphate has a charge of -3, but there are two of them. So 3 times 2 is -6. All right, that means the copper has to be +6. There are 3 of them, so we divide that by 3, and that is 2 copper, 2 phosphate. All right, here we've got iron. O is oxide. O is -2, therefore the iron is +2, so it's iron 2 oxide. Sn is tin. NO2 is nitrite. Nitrate has a charge of -1. There are 3 of them times 3. That's -3. The tin has to be +3. There's only 1 tin, so that divided by 1 is just 3. Tin 3 nitrite. And then last but not least, all right, we've got Pb, that's lead. Cl is chloride. Cl is -1. There are 2 of them. That's -2. The lead's got to be +2, just like the tin next to it. There's only 1 of them, so the lead is +2. So for this system, right, we just do it as it is. We don't do any crisscrossing the periodic table. You just write what you got. So nitrogen, trioxide, NO3. All right, this one, it's carbon. The second element, right, tetrafluoride. All right, dioxygen, 2 O's, monohydride, H. All right, fluorine, diiodide, and then OS3. All right. your acids. So we have our first one. So no oxygen, hydro. The chlorine becomes chloric acid. All right, again, no oxygen, hydro, chlorine becomes fluoric acid. All right, we got an O, no hydro, nitrate becomes nitric acid. Okay, we got an O, sulfite, sulfus acid. All right, up, we've got the word hydro. All right, we know all acids start with an H. Right? Because there's a hydro, that means phosphor was just the element P minus 3 H3P. Nitrous acid. Excuse me. So no hydro, we know we got an H. Nitrous was originally nitric, or sorry, nitrite. So that's NO2 minus 1, HNO2. And then sulfuric acid, because there's no hydro, sulfuric was originally sulfate. That's SO4 minus 2, H2S.